Hi guys, if you like turkey and stuffing, I think you'll love this. First, you're going to get 8 mushrooms and cut them up into slices. And then you're going to add 1 cup of cooked hominy. And then you're going to add some peppers. Now I had 3 banana peppers. You can use whatever you want. And you're going to use 1 onion. You're going to cut these up in slices. And you're going to put those all together like that. And then we're going to add some spices. First we have a half a teaspoon of onion powder. And then we're going to add in a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then we're going to give that a toss. And we're going to put that on the stove with 1 cup of water. And you're going to go ahead and saute that. Next, you're going to get 1 package of firm tofu. And then we're going to start slicing it up. Well, first we're going to dry it. So you're going to pat it dry between paper towels. And then we're going to start slicing. Now you can slice it this way as I'm showing. And then I discovered another way to slice, and maybe this way would be even better. But anyhow, you're going to make about a 2-inch slice. So, and then this is what it looks like when it's all sliced up. Okay, so next we're going to go ahead and add seasonings. We're going to sprinkle on top rosemary leaves. Just give it a good sprinkle. Thyme. And then the next will be our rubbed sage. We're just going to sprinkle that on. Then we're going to pat it in. And you're just going to rub that into each piece very, very well. That's what it should look like. I gave it a little toss in a bowl. And then we went ahead and added in a half a teaspoon of low sodium tamari soy sauce. And then give that a good toss. And then last but not least, we're going to add 5 cloves of garlic. Now I sliced these up and I put them into my mushroom mixture. I also added a lid and I gave it a little bit more water and sauteed it. Once it's done, then you're going to drain off that liquid, but you're going to keep that liquid. You're going to add the tofu and lightly toss it because it can break, so you want to lightly do that. And then you're going to add the liquid back. You're going to warm the tofu up for about 5 minutes, and then it's done. What's the difference between an ice cream cone and a bully? You lick one and the other licks you. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.